Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today I'm going to show you 5 really simple tabletop activities you can build, play and learn from using DUPLO bricks. 5 activities to keep your kids entertained on a rainy day.
And firstly, let's go bowling. Here's how to build a DUPLO bowling game, and all you'll need are some 2x2 bricks and a tennis ball. Simply stack up your 2x2 DUPLO bricks approximately 8 pieces high to make 5 skittles. And optionally, why not use some decorative pieces on the top of each skittle to signify bonus points if you knock over a skittle with a certain piece on top. And now let's go bowling. Line up your skittles at one end of your DUPLO bowling alley, then use your tennis ball to knock your skittles down. And you can increase the challenge by either building some more skittles or increasing the length of your bowling alley. And now for another simple game you can play, and all you'll need is a DUPLO plate, a dice, some more 2x2 pieces and a couple of DUPLO characters. And for this tower race game, each player should place their character on the DUPLO plate, then roll the dice when it's your turn. And the objective is, for whatever number you roll on the dice, lay the same number of bricks under your DUPLO character. Take it in turns, then when a player reaches an agreed number of bricks in their tower first, then that player can be crowned the winner. Now, do you love to build DUPLO games as well? Remember to leave a comment below telling us what your favourite game to build and play is on a rainy day. But we're not going to stop there, because here's how to play DUPLO Bingo. And for each player, give them a DUPLO plate, filling each with various coloured 2x2 DUPLO bricks. Give each player their bingo card, then assign someone to be the bingo caller. And all the bingo caller needs to do is randomly pick pieces from a pot of DUPLO bricks, and if your colour matches a colour on your bingo card, simply remove that piece from the card. Do this with each piece that's called, then when you're left with an empty bingo card, congratulations, you can be crowned the winner. And next, here's a really simple matching pairs game. All you'll need are 16 party cups and 8 pairs of random DUPLO pieces. Randomly place the pieces out in line, then place a party cup over the top of each piece. And then the aim of the game is to take it in turns to see who can find the most matching pairs of DUPLO pieces. And if you want to increase the challenge some more, why not add some more pairs or use DUPLO bricks that differ only slightly in their appearance. And now for our 5th activity, which is also a fun way to boost your mathematical skills. Firstly, draw out some plus, minus, multiplication and equal symbols on some sticky notes, then set them aside. And now use your DUPLO bricks as numbers, then use the sticky notes to challenge your partner with some sums. This is a great way to encourage kids to learn to count, plus teaching them the difference between mathematical sums and how to work them out.
Now we'd love to know what activities you like to build and play using DUPLO bricks, so let us know in the comments below this video. And also remember, there are loads more creative ways you can use DUPLO bricks to help your child develop. Simply subscribe to the LEGO Family channel for loads more tips and hacks to help make your life just that little bit easier.